Hello everyone, welcome to TechBuzz video channel. In this video we will see how you can manage your regular expenses or recurring entries in Hisab Android application. Nowadays it's common to pay for the services like Netflix, Spotify on a regular basis. Similarly, monthly utility bills, insurance payments and annual rent payments, these are some examples of recurring transactions. It's important that your expense tracker application should support all these repetitive entries. Let's go through the Hisab application to set up recurring entries. Before we get started, let's check the current date. So it's March 6th. Back on Hisab application. Now jump to the expense tab. Click on add new button. Here you can see one repeat option is there. Suppose I want to do entry for milk on daily basis. So I want to start from 1st of March. Click OK. Then item, say milk, amount is 100. Payment method is cash. To set up the repeat options, click on repeat. It will ask we want to repeat daily, so click on OK. Now you can see one day is displayed here. Click on OK. There will be information 6 transactions will be added because we have selected 1st of March. Today is 6th of March, so from 1st to 6th March these 6 entries will be added. So it will ask for the confirmation. Do you want to proceed? Click OK. Then you will see 1st, 2nd to 6th of March you will get one entry for milk for $100. Similarly, you can set up weekly or monthly repeat entries. Let's add one more entries. Here you can see month and months on last day. This is for month end. Sometimes we want that the entry should be done on the month end, so this option should be selected. So let's select for 1 month for the rent. Amount say 1500. Payment will be cash. Click on to set the date. Say if I select 5th of every month, click on OK. So it will be populated on 5th of every month. Click on OK. It will ask for the confirmation for this month. Click OK. So you can see on 5th March the rent entry is added. Now let's see what will happen if the date changes. To test this, let's change the date of the mobile. Jump to the settings. Go to the system, date and time. Let's turn off the automatic date time and set date to 10th of March. Apply it. Click on Hisab application. So when you jump to the expense tab, you will see 4 notifications. So when you click on that, because now the current date is 10th of March and from 7th to 10th this milk entries are done, and it will ask for the confirmation. It's not directly added to the expenses. First it will ask. If you approve, then these will be added. Here you can modify the amount also as well. Suppose on 9th you want to change the amount from 100 to 50, then click OK. OK, so 50. Here I can select all. Click on approve. Then you can see 7, 8, 9 on 9th it's $50 and 100. There are 2 main advantages of using this notifications. First, it will remind you this transaction should be done, and second, like in case somehow the payment is not done or the date is changed, you can easily update the entry. So this is very helpful. The next thing is to edit or delete the recurring entry. So for this, jump to the settings, click on repeating expense templates. Here you can see milk and rent is a scheduled entry. Jump to the milk and delete it, then it will be permanently deleted. This is the way how you can configure or set up the recurring entry in the Hisab application. Hope you like it. Don't forget to rate this application on the Play Store if you love it. Thank you.